So during the Gupta era, the literature reached the golden phase here, and here the literature was secular in nature. Okay, we find the mention of Kalidas here. Okay, Kalidas ने 3 हमारे पास जो है वो ड्रामाज मेंशन्ड है. कालिदास रोट 3 ड्रामाज. द फर्स्ट वन वाज मालविका गनिमित्रम, सेकंड विक्रम मोरसवैया, एंड थर्ड इज अभिजन शकुंतलम. ओके, एंड ही आल्सो रोट द 4 मेन काव्यास दैट वर कुमार संभव, ऋतु संहारा, मेघदूतम एंड रघुवंशम. Okay, these were the 4 major kavyas written by Kalidas. Here the one more prominent author, that is Bhas, also came, and he wrote 13 plays. But the most important part is of Kalidas. Okay, then we also see the religious literature reaching its height here, as Mahabharat and Ramayana was compiled in this age, and also the Bhagavad Gita. Many of the Puranas like Vishnu Puran was also seen during this age. Okay, then we also read about many authors and their books, like Bhas wrote Swapna Vatsadattam, Amarkosh wrote Amar Simha, Shudrak wrote Mrichkatika. Okay, Vishnugupta wrote Panchtantra, Aryabhat wrote Aryabhatika, Varhamira wrote Panch Siddhantika, Vishakdatt wrote Devi Chandraguptam and Mudra Rakshas. Bhattin wrote Ravanvat. Okay, Bhattin wrote Kirat Vajravanyam. Vatsyan wrote Kama Sutra. So these were the major authors along with their books and the literature of Gupta period that reached its golden phase. So during the Gupta age, the science and technology also flourished. Okay, we can divide it into 3 parts, that is astronomy, mathematics and metallurgy. Okay, so in astronomy, Varhamira was the author who wrote the Romak Siddhantika and Panch Siddhantika, that were the 5 principles majorly. Okay, then in mathematics, we find the mention of Aryabhatta, who wrote Arya Siddhant and Aryabhatika. Okay, in these books, he referred to the exact value of pi. Okay, he referred that why do the eclipse occurs, what is the duration of the year, that is 365 days. He also did the properties of circle, the trigonometric ratios, the triangle values. Okay, so everything he described in these books. Then the third one is metallurgy, and we find the bronze and iron mentions here. Many bronze figures of Buddha have been found here, and the iron pillar inscriptions also depicts the use of iron.